In this video, I'm going to show you how to add cash to your Revolut balance. Let's dive right in. First of all, I must note that the cash deposit feature is still in its testing phase. Revolut is rolling it out to its customers in batches. This means that it might not be available for you as of the recording of this video. If it is available to you, here's how you can add cash to your Revolut balance. Start by opening up your Revolut app and go to Home on the bottom menu. Then tap Add Money and set the currency to euros. Next, you'll have to change the deposit method. Simply tap Change and select Deposit Cash. Now tap Continue and allow location access. Next, find a deposit location and tap Deposit Cash. Enter the amount of cash you plan to deposit and tap Continue. You'll be given a special barcode for depositing cash. Present this barcode to the cashier at the chosen retailer. Now deposit the cash and get a receipt, and that's it. Remember that your barcode will only be valid for 30 minutes, but you can always get a new one. If you want to change the amount, simply tap See Barcode from your home screen and Cancel Deposit. Then follow the steps again to generate a new barcode. Now let's talk about the fees, limits and timeframes. All cash deposits will incur a 2.5% fees, and there are also limits. You can only add up to 600 euros per deposit and up to 750 euros per month and up to 5,000 per year. Finally, you should also remember that cash deposits are not instant. The funds usually take 8 to 10 minutes to appear on your Revolut account. However, in some cases it may take up to 30 minutes. And that's it. This is how you can deposit cash to your Revolut balance. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and click subscribe for more videos. If you haven't already signed up with Revolut, you can do so through the link in the description below. And have a great day.